सरकार के गठन के बाद पहली जीएसटी परिषद की बैठक हुई है। इस मीटिंग में रेल यात्रियों को बड़ी राहत दी गई है। वित्त मंत्री ने बताया है कि भारतीय रेलवे द्वारा दी जाने वाली प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट जैसी सेवाओं को जीएसटी से छूट दी गई है। साथ ही सोलर कुकर पर 12% जीएसटी है, मिल्क कैन पर 12% और स्प्रिंकलर पर 12% जीएसटी लगाने का फैसला लिया गया है।
Council recommended to prescribe a uniform rate of 12% on all milk cans, meaning steel, iron, aluminium, which are irrespective of the use. They are called milk cans, but wherever they are used, that will be the rate applicable, so that no disputes arise out of it. They have a standard shape, so that will determine what is a milk can and what is not. Then Council also recommended to prescribe a uniform GST rate of 12% on all carton boxes and cases of both corrugated and non-corrugated paper or paper board. Council also has clarified and recommended that the clarification be put out on that all types of sprinklers, including fire water sprinklers, will attract 12% GST, and to regularize the past practice on an as-is whereas basis. Council recommended to prescribe 12% on all solar cookers, whether it has single or dual energy source. Services provided by Indian Railways to the common man, sale of platform tickets, facility of retiring rooms, waiting rooms, cloakroom services, battery-operated car services are being exempted from GST. Further, intra-railway supplies are also being exempted.
वहीं देखिए, छोटे टैक्स पेयर को फायदा देने के लिए GSTR 4 फाइल करने की समय सीमा को जून 30 तक बढ़ा दिया गया है। आपको बता दें कि GSTR 1 में बदलाव करने की सुविधा दी गई है। GSTR 1A के नाम से नया फॉर्म लाया जाएगा। साथ ही FY18, FY19, FY20 के GST डिमांड पर राहत दी गई है।
In order to help small taxpayers, the Council recommended extending the time limit to furnish the detail and the returns in the form GSTR 4 from 30th April at present. At the moment it is 30th April. The Council has recommended that it be extended to 30th June. And this is for GSTR 4, those returns which have to be filed. This will apply for returns for the financial year 2024-25 onwards. The Council has recommended again insertion of a functionality by way of Form GSTR 1A, which would allow a taxpayer to add any particulars of current tax period which he may have missed out on in reporting in the GSTR 1. So if he